get is Sea Eagle Aggie. So lastly, for flying bird, look to your left as I'm calling our homing pigeon. Homing pigeons is ability to come back home from the feet and nest. The special program to reception. Meaning can detect Earth na blueprint to find direction, attitude, and location. Sinasabi na sila mga mulyo kung paano na ginakasa sila. So that's it, our homing pigeons and after. Now, I'm going to show you 1 minute bird here in Cebu Ocean Park. Now let's go in. Our Philippine Rufous Hornbill and also known as Southern Rufous Hornbill. A petal bird, they love to jump perch to perch, showing you their chasing skill for one another. But only birds, they love to shoot food and meat as well. And if only in the Mindanao area, located at the top of the mountain because of their booming sound. So they are very easy enough to catch. So to demonstrate you one more time. So go first. Second. So guys, ready your camera and let's count 1, 2, 3. Again, ready your camera and let's count 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, go! Amazing, right? So around those are Philippine Rufous Hornbill name 2. So here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. Philippine friends in the land, air, and water. So who remember that 3 R's in proper waste disposal is to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. Now let's go again our Lally Bird to show us how to proper waste disposal.